It's time to move up. Get smart. Learn English. Get a lifestyle. Using of only, how, however, nearly, almost. Only, how, however, nearly, almost must come immediately before the words they qualify, unless special emphasis requires them at the end of the phrase. For example, I shall send for the doctor only if necessary. He came nearly every day. You are welcome however often you come. He did not tell me how rich he was. Inversion of subject and verb. Often, not only, never, seldom, rarely, no sooner, often. Put the verb before the subject as in a question. Not only did he come late, but he forgot his books. Never have I seen such a sight. Rarely did a man show such courage. No sooner did I see him than I recognized him. Often do the strong fail.